Ooh, kill the pizza, pizza. Yeah, drop it down low. Ooh, kill this other, kill a lot, this lot.
Not wearing any pants.
Oh god, I gotta fall.
What are you doing, man? Don't give me that awkward person.
Someone on their way down?
We're disgusting.
Just making sure.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
Bunny.
Sweat! It's alright! I'm breaking a sweat! Come on, baby, light my fire! I'm breaking a sweat! Sweat! It's alright! Breaking a sweat! Breaking a sweat! Breaking a sweat! Woo! Yo!
Okay, that's good enough, Ryan. Oh! Wow. Does anyone see my phone? I wormed a little. 2 years ago.
The game is so much funner when you're drunk.
Oh my god, I got the fuck.
Cards Against Humanity is better. It's like apples to apples, but it has really like offensive racist things in it.
It's called, wait, what?
Cards Against Humanity.
That's funny.
Oh, I saw PewDiePie play that.
It's so fun. I always win apples to apples because I'm really rude. Like the cards, like if the match says like bunny and I'll put the whole house down. Now Mark's in the way.
Sorry, I'm trying to put my shirt back on. Fuck. You got this, Dylan.
Come on, Dill. Yeah, that was not.
That was okay. That was horrible.
Why is my...
I think you should just twerk it out. Just twerk it out. Yeah, that's what we came to see. I want to zoom in on that butt right there. I did. It's zoomed. I'm up on that tush, like, yo.
Okay, everybody, conglomerate to the center of the room.
And Mark just in the background, like, yes, I like this.
Kill it.